Sometimes you'll be going through the field, and if you notice that as you're going, the belt is no longer picking up the stakes, we need to adjust the compression on the grip belt. We're going to put more pressure on that grip belt, both on the grip and the traveler belt. Now, to put more pressure on the grip belt so it'll hold tighter to the stake, we want to come down below the belt, and you'll notice two square screws, screw A and screw B. The best way to do this is we're going to tighten those screws in about a half a turn at a time. That's going to add a lot of pressure to that lower pivot block. What that does is it brings it in and squeezes the stake harder. Now, for your upper traveler belt, what we'd like to do is to adjust that. You're going to take a screwdriver right across from the pivot and just put that screwdriver in. It's going to fit really tight. You should have about 1/8 of an inch, and adjust this bolt right here until it's just snug at that 1/8 of an inch. Best thing is just to take it from here and do all 5 pivot blocks on your way up. Once you have that adjustment, the traveler belt should be good. You're going to be, again, these 2 square head bolts will increase the grip on the stake. If you're not able to pull the stake, that's going to give you more power to pull that stake. So if you're in hard substrate like clay and you don't seem to be able to take them out of the ground, what we're going to do is adjust those screws in, and that's going to add a lot more pressure to the stake, enabling us to pull it up. We've adjusted the carrier belt. That's going to bring it up and bring it right back in there to be stored.